I'm Heather with WTI. I found a perfect mattress.
This queen size mattress from Hoxury came in a box. It was shrink wrapped to fit, and they actually sent this little tool to open it. I did not notice it, so I used scissors, but even the thoughtfulness of sending a little tool to make sure you don't damage your mattress. This is how it just popped right up. Allow it to sit for a few days and it completely comes to life. An absolutely beautiful bed. It is so very comfortable. It is
Identical to my bed that I absolutely love,
which is what I always want my guests to have.
It is the best mattress ever, and this is a duplicate of it. The price point was dead on. 12 years ago, we bought our high-end mattress, and I think we paid like 6 times the cost of this, so it is really affordable. This is a hybrid mattress that combines memory foam with individually wrapped coils. Basically, if you know anything about mattresses, you know that that is going to make the most comfortable sleep, best support possible. It doesn't allow you to disturb your partner, so if you have someone else here with you, it is completely comfortable. If they toss and turn, they're not shaking the whole bed around. Because the individually wrapped coils move independently, this allows motion isolation, so no motion beside you is going to wake you up. And if you have a little one sleeping with you, believe me, this is the best mattress to get because you will be less interrupted than in a typical mattress. I slept in this last night. Absolutely no low back pain, no issues whatsoever. Get that good night's sleep. There's no reason why you have to keep sleeping on the old mattress. I emphatically recommend to get this mattress. I know you won't be disappointed. My back is thanking me already. That's my point of view.